Major Roy Eglando, 4S2. Cadet Major Jonas Alvo, 4S4. Cadet Captain Manuel Salio, 4S7. Majoring Leader, Cadet Major Charlie Gonzalez. PLC Leader, Cadet Major Paul Alino. Company Cadet Major John Carlos Herrera. Company Echo, Cadet First Lieutenant Ryan Fernandez. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Hubert Balanis. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Angelica Gloria Luso. School Head, Mr. Agapit. Commandant, Mr. Amarcolo C. Quiñones Jr. PLC Trainer and Major Trainer, Mr. Ramir Apapalo. Santo Tomas National High School.
Cadet Major Lorenzo T. Muba, Corps Commander. Cadet Captain Albert P. Tibley, 4S1.